Hello, in this video I want to show you how to level up strength in Bellwright. To do this, here I am in the combat, and that's the first way to level it up. You can find the attributes in your inventory right here, and as you can see my strength is set to 85. Now each time we're gonna hit enemy with the weapon, you'll see that our strength increases by 5. And that's the first way to do it. The second way to do it is to find the books with strength, and each time you're gonna read that book, you'll level up your strength by a certain number that is visible on the book. And that is how you level strength in this game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.